when you running when you
flag bearer.
Exactly. And especially so we share the movement for change candidate Alan Kojo Chramante free Ashanti region. So for me, somehow some threat to be over. So for the MPP, in my view, they have no option than to pick Obi from Ashanti region.
Okay.
So because that is the stronghold of the party. In fact, because once we say stronghold of the party, say a candidate in M3
one getting back on the line. Now he was making some point. Sir MPP ni bibia just say omubeyi obi free Asante mantem hano. Ena alankojo Martin so obi free Asante region hano. And yama say threat kakra ho. Asante phone mi beka say yebeto amala na ana say edey ana no bi Konedo Ajman Rollins enya almost 40,000 votes bi ewo abato no one year campaign 2020 so na dodo na the votes kese no free ha eti eno no Alan Kojo Chematin the emetete kra the latest ne say anhwa obe partner cheddar anhwa Alan Chematin and Kojo Chematin running mate be cheddar because it is becoming incessantly difficult for cheddar to file at the Electoral Commission. As a cheddar anhwa or file say or kontina say content cry anhwa na ne niamantment sisu ye ntina Electoral Commission disqualify no enti the yetete ne say Alan be cheddar as running mate we cheddar as running mate cheddar no so mabunu no bebiri don pa Alan so or mabunu no ayi kakra won ho but as a kwan the free MPP no mabunu bebiri yes as a dada we dada about the ball kakra bi ana usubi say as all why pia kakra bi ma cheme bobby and I'm as a man for said that but cheddar brings the youth along with a cheddar alarm pen or sabeba so cheddar for Ashanti region alarm free and you know choosing somebody within MPP from Ashanti region should be obia mebure wa Asante mantem be nya anidaso wo ni mu say oba obetimi di bibia ba Ashanti region. Other than that, it will be a fiasco. Will cheddar partner and I will Alan partner cheddar. Hey, the days ahead of us will be very interesting. Very, very interesting. Na mame Emma mo Hero ashasi ayebo. How kunya 80-inch, 65-inch ni ade. Na unya wo home theater. Na musiela boss shot na ju pum. TV no eswana wo hwe afo. Sure man. Lumba kan sembi na me ne ya adwene. O say mfa ni bre engeka enjutwampo angeka ngwasa sem se obisika wanya yefi. Obisika de fi ni mama. Ba Kennedy hospital de unhia sika kese bia san wanya TV kese. Kakre. Anope wo wonsema. Kiss la kwaba. Oh man. Hey Christian, what am tickets. Oh man. Now what to say? Manya me odemi ho. You be aboko. Oh man. My yeti wanope. Mo de opamata di opamu. Sa ho. Pam shirt na ma. No pam mata de. Me hu se de adni se ba be. Ani hu fu no de ani wapam. Sa ho. Half crown na hunya also wapam yi. Ani hu fu abuzu wapam pa. I will pocket was here nyina. Oh, that's very nice. Executive pa. I will host some so Johnny akotna Canada. Oh. Omanya me chasi bia be fa akotna Canada. Omanya be fa akonya me so na ye de cheke sha mo biara nyame wadom na ode na chew. Na unyame be pono na ede ama na ohwe Sompa TV yenso a yetie radio no Sompa FM 93.1 na ya transisi no Omanhene ede se bi hyiase na me mani agye se no pa me ko hebo Omanhene se me no me ko hebo no obi fie for the libi na me ko na time na ye na me bu for madam bi fie na me ko ye na obeto TV no Kennedy ho 65 inches so mana me te ho pa na boss ya connect the code de mana me te wona me hwe TV na me my homodwe entino anopay eyensem de pa na de bro baby awo bi enya daje ne tenase yi wasum ne tie Kennedy nsem pa anopay de bro
na ye trust say ya yensem ni nyina yensem de de bia me trust me say home appliances e kan yen dada setena ho abrabo ye boy ye ko ya ye ba yen dada setena ye boy ye ko de bia ye ba no within the day the lifestyles that we live yentimi ni sa na ma we film obi say ne be say television yentimi ni free yen dada setena mu da fridges yentimi ni free dada setena mu da kettles ne iron ne blenders yentimi ni free dada setena mu da me tell me say Omanhene atade ye hye efe pa senka obobo na hye wodopu na woyire no fa ne saa na de betena studio a ebia ka me kwan ka me hu ne fe no onya iron papa bi o de to so o hye no ata no de to what me say be ma abrante mu nyamfo pa na o che konyam ni enti iron abeka yen dada setena obi ehia iron ba bia wo bia obi ehia TV bia wo bia obi ehia fridge ba bia wo bia because na no ma me bi ne benya problem mama na yenkwan awie ka cha ne ba ne se enkwan no makanisio nti no ye bie so kakra adwua bie so ne fasio mama ni fridge ne ba no so refi wakokata nkwan ne so ade atenye no enkwan na yekate nkwan ehuhuru asai se ko de se fridge ma ka problem bia ma se se obi anim se efie bia mu ye aduane efie bia mu ye aduane dia ene aduane ne yentimi ani ye nkwan bebrebe yentimi ansa ni nyina dia ba bia de be hye ne dia ka no eye fridge mu ente se fridge bi ho be hia to the extent say ba bia wo Ghana mum ha sante mum ha bia efie bia wotim ba bia wotie bia obi ahia fridge e say no ewie mo ye share to the extent say e show ene ahuhuo ni mfifinsa yare e show de ba di ni pa bi dem na nyame na Mr Kennedy so say nyame adomome ni pa nimde ni nyansa say yenye air condition Mr Kennedy ko fe condition we bi nyina de abeduam o Ghana mum na sante mum ha say show pa ni ahuhuo ene sa ni me na ayo dadwena enne o ha nyina to atwa because ye the air condition saba ye the 1.5 horsepower de biaba ye the 2.0 horsepower de biaba ye the 2.5 horsepower de biaba ye ni nyina de ban eye papa ya bebia be kokko yusu no bia no entwe light when na ye niam Mr Kennedy diaba nti ese sane mo we be kan dada setra woni e bobra ne ntimi nyimfimi Mr Kennedy se wo fa ye ndadwe nyina de ato wo so se wo tie se ye TV pan na your problem say your fridge is pan na your problem say your kettle say your iron say your blender say your deep freezers ahodo obi cross wo fashion designer oh help my ni say oh help my atade no eye ne fe na sewing machine type burn wo de be pomata de say ye fa industrial sewing machine Mr Kennedy so the way bi nyina ba ebo no watete so because obi dadwe nyina ne se ne obenya TV de obon dem na ne man ne kunu ne yire ne fiefo nyina ni age obi dadwe nyina ne se ne obenya air condition de obon dem na obi ani age ofie ho obi dadwe nyina se obeto fridge na ono so okofia we yin so nyuru kakra bi fifinyim na wanom ono de o man mendro wi ono ne do ono bi wi ade aka no o de ase fridge ye aduane wi ade be ka ne de ase fridge ntom adwunwi we nyina na Mr Kennedy se eneka wakoma fato we yam na wafato ho so we nyina na abada wo so na ada no adwunwi na hu de onye na hu ba wi amfa Mr Kennedy say yakofa TVs ni nyina bi de ba Kennedy afie yakofa fridges ni nyina bi de ba Kennedy afie kettles ni iron ni blenders ni yakofa ba Kennedy afie gas cooker with oven industrial sewing machine ceiling fan standing fan yakofa we bi nyina de aba ene ewie ne esa de adwuma ba tato ya eye Kennedy fufu pande machine ye de bi aba fefefe ye de Kennedy eburo machine ye de bi aba fefefe ye de Kennedy popcorn machine ye de bi aba fefefe ya tete bon so enti udadwe nyina ani anopai fa Kennedy telephone number ni sisi ene fe na nkita hudie bi opeso ne adi no ene yeni say fridge ho adwendwe a fe telephone number no say kettle ho adwendwe a fe telephone number no say air condition ni television se ne ba keka ho nyina ho adwendwe a fa telephone number ni sisi obi so ne de ni problem pa say opadwuma de ne saye no here Kennedy food pande machine bi o here Kennedy eburo machine bi o here Kennedy popcorn machine bi say we ho adwendwe na ba so anopai Kennedy say ka wakoma to yem no kofa bi aba na emesika sem enya problem because sikane kitu bi ekura wo bia no udi Kennedy digital seller ubenya TV fefefe de akofie yes I delivery services nationwide baby awo bia no pebia ye de be ma no wasomyem na number say di dwane ye di tudwa fa telephone number no nani Kennedy eni kita ho say air condition say your television say your fridges say your kettle say your iron say your blender say your rice cooker say your microwave say your Kennedy fufu pounding machine bi obi say dey stabilizer eno opebi obi say dey open ceiling fan obi so open deep freezer hodo ni nya number say obe frɛ no 0244 385 128 0244 385 128 baby I want to me bia telephone number na dey tudwa no ye delivery services nationwide across across Ghana o chere pono tum tokuro bi a wo hyem bi afa telephone number na wo TV na bes ni go so fe de obetimi afa bi na fa wo so oba person oba Kennedy premises no adum family plaza build on the first floor from Busan bra ye honum enkrafo nyina promotion kakraka ekoso air condition say akoyaba 1.5 horsepower 2.0 horsepower 2.5 horsepower akoyaba nyina enkrafo ye nyina ye ko wager old barrier on the main castle road Kokuro bi te Jason traffic light be we send faso Kennedy ho patase ni efi anwan kwanta oboase be nyina so patase ye wo Adum House Kennedy Junction from Busan corner dey bi obetobia no make sure say what you receipt what that stamp no esiechire no Kennedy stamp na dey na wo to no ye ton Kennedy ye ton enema no form enti from Busan no na bra so na be hwe enema we bi nyina irrespective because of man he say nyame Adum Mr Kennedy ye TV ni be baby awo bia no TV type size bia wo pe bia no bra Kennedy aso ye si kaketo bia okura bia wo de say Fabra, ye the somebody be can say, see the whole Ghana, the whole Kubasi, the whole Ghana, oh, Pebia, who be TV, papa, and the for home appliance and the war for Kennedy, into test a total and will be as ye the say, and your money, papa, and to the bra, yen and this was for Oba Kennedy, for when the brother say one say TV boy say fridge boy say air condition boy say kettle boy say iron boy say blenders in the boy in boy say oh yeah. And talking in the no, Jahoko Bontain, go and compare the price. Now, some of the Kennedy, you better say, yet you never for never pano, Ayampa. The Bia Matas, I say, poor baby, you're complete in the Bidia for no me to for Kaka, or your Bidia for near. Poor can is semi near your factor, Konkonu Bim, and some more pork and no credit. May say, but Kennedy, I say, and some of the Bia Christian, or better, can no credit. Now, what's Ayampa and some Quena Mecano? And he said, air condition power, what you doing about Kennedy, I share your 1.5 horsepower. So be na ye no enipa ne bi bebrebe ga na ho bi ehia condition enipa ne ntimi nto adenti free say enipa ne se bebi okubusa air condition ne boarding also watimi to bi ne say ye to na etwe like Mr Kennedy say na ka okoma to yim air condition ho adwendwe na about o time so air condition na about o preso na o pebi ato bebi obenya air condition papa ne bo ne da fam ya obeto ensan twom light air Kennedy ahwe say ye TV say ye fridge say condition na mo bi so say opadwuma ye Kennedy fufu pande machine ye de bi aba ye de bro machine bi aba ye de popcorn machine ma me papa to bi ne fesi ba bi ne fa ye adwuma na mom o pesa o top popcorn machine o pesa o top football machine o pesa o top bro machine ni be ma kika oni nyina bia baby o benya de ye papa o beto a e ma problem no e Kennedy digital seller into TV ho adwendwen se fridge ho adwendwen ni nyina ba o tirim na sa ye adwendwen a hwe ne Kennedy ahwe number se de tu dwa ne fa telephone number no wa bra ye sorry si location no e ye fatase Adum House Ken Junction Adum your family plaza building no enkre wager old barrier kokuro bi te Junction your number se no e ye 0244 385 128 0244 385 128 Omanhene Yaw say home appliance pa ho adwuma itirima company be mi rebe ko tony ma no e Kennedy digital seller
oh yes. Ne Dr. Jarola Tiku ena line no drop here sisi aye wono ahoma no so ma me nko doctor what me nka
me tun papa
we da nyame ase okay now kasa se asante mantem there's a threat a seemingly threat with Alan's presence near didn't know MPP need choice than to choose a candidate from here to asomame.
Right, yes. So basically, once I almost like better than it's not, no.
Oh. Hello, doctor.
Omonia vote no do from Ashanti region. Even NDC Kura, Ashanti region, and almost strong no. Sometimes Ashanti region, NDC about the fourth and the fifth of NDC votes. So they can say vote no do no Ashanti region. So being the FS almost no, I was say Omonia Obi from Ashanti region, and not just sometimes not just Obi Keke. I think one Obia also very popular. So at here, there are so many young come to me because social popularity is very key. And also loyalty to the party, loyalty to the friends, even the candidate now on I think all those things there's just a bit to me abua. So why almost say to share I'm saying dinner boy if I say Matthew Opoku Pempe Napo if I say Mensa Bonsu the former leader any other now president
Fremont Parry
Honorable Educhum Fremont Parry and also gender and can also be but we share data now yes say NIB for edify no exaggerate NIB normal nanka mi say omo yomo research IB na kuku but I'm say abet to the then secondly we have to speak to the data now omo but I'm not surprised at all say from the data now you know na putting up about over 70% close to 80%. I'm not surprised so I because he is one person from the one na ni do
Okay. Hello. Okay. I think it's made a point there. What take it off. Aramo, Tanzania in Komona, the Enquiry Nimna. I think the technical team should deal with this phone thing for us. Because the Padoma HA and Nema Bisebasa the Stotty program no pa. Arabo Yusuf.
Yes, sir.
Haruna Yusuf. Salam alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Now what to say? Former MC of Fenso. Ena no pe wofi ha. Ya oye NDC Asante Mantem ha. Nkasamafo kunini otrotwa ensem edema awohwe animu se 2025 January na the flag bearer na ye President of the Republic of Ghana. Our President John Dramani Mahama Nra be lecture. 50th anniversary of a year Christian service.
Yes, sir.
Now, Odinsambi Etudja and opay a hube here said Yebedo Musukoni Busa Busan Samba whom will interrogate the matter after this. And don't you know, quickly I will mention it. Said I will give you a fair view of what he's spoken about. Eddie Kine was say, Owonyema Debria Ba obey, but ye farmer Komaku enum. Eddie Kine or say the first priority. Sagana for to Abamano na 8 January obey Mampenia. The hear the power the Sobema Sidino Echna. How he's going to do it, he did not elaborate. Probably maybe in the manifesto. Ebeba betum or say Obama Sidino Ejna pa na Ghana for soon said depreciation of the Sidino too much against dollar, you know. So the first priority is to stabilize the city. Number 2, the foreign oil companies be brew Ghana Hanuma. A good father remember Boninti Omoko. He will impress upon them to return to the country again. They told me and say, MPP for Omadi dream. Scandals are about what to be now almost Oba. He will prosecute and jail them. He can assure Ghanaians. They told 9 or say NPP Abaya Shehai Ama forest reserves amount for a digala. And almost small scale miners, Esuswabo Rema almost say Yankwaye. Obey Bako, he's going to ban mining in forest reserves. Enum Namea 2025 Sika Ghana Ichato Efreno Heritage Fund Oil Sika Diakotuono 2025 na Nkrata Yedigu Akwema ye Embrano Chrese Wombe tumi ayede ede omonsaka ompe John Dramani Mahama se obedia dia obetumi abomodena obabomodena ayede 1.5 billion of that money na all the aye near friend the big push mohu saa sika no eba ne 2020 manifesto and also be here 10 billion Ghana cedis e dey aye the big push also be call heritage fund enya de obi ade ne saka na wayi 1.5 billion dollars oil money no the aye the big push no as okay. We also looked at Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe leading MPP's choice of running mate as NIB survey comes out. It's unprecedented. We've never seen it before since 1992. You be that say bana running mate NIB report. No, can we say a authentic? And now say any authentic. We are saying among for say they've intercepted it. How true that is? National Investigative Bureau, they've not come out to say the crowd and you know, but we'll look at all that. Mami Shase free, Honorable Haruna Yusifo on the issues that are before us. Bako, you know me and say nine. Mami Makwa Badami Ma Konya, Mami Tio. I don't know. Now, what to say? Now, I don't know. So,
okay, so be search if you know a pigeon over him.
David, I know when him over here. David, what's it? What's in the name? Could you go away?
My me who not check.
How will I tell? Arabo can come be watching. Now, bold to say,
I don't know Bible to your parents.
As a curry man poem see so hard. Mammy Tianope.
Me, I mean, I can come met China on a pay. Now, Omanhene give the opportunity. I want to go to the Upper West region.
Okay.
The Wild West constituency. Namachia, the people of Lassie, Tulu, and Kandel. Omanhene, about 3-4 days ago, there were some skirmishes, some disagreements between the two communities. In fact, it led to about 3 deaths.
Oh.
And I want to draw the attention of national security and other security forces. So far, I think the security have conducted themselves very well. Some arrests have been made. They are going through the processes. And because when there is a crime, go through the lay down processes. Be fair to people. Grant them bail. Let them go through the processes. Those who are found culpable, let them go through what the law requires. That is all that we are asking for. And I will always come back to the MP for Wild West, Honorable Peter Tubu Lanchene.
Tubu.
I always, go back to him because of his benefit of the security forces. In fact, he's been secretary to the IGP before. He's gone on international assignments, resolve issues. So when such issues bordering on land and chieftaincy come about, I want the state to use all its arsenals to ensure that the right things are done. So that we'll take this away. I have always said, and I will always continue to maintain that, nobody will ever benefit from any conflict. And like I said on one of the networks, it is not about MPP or NDC. This is a non-political issue. And I will continue to thank the security forces and also call calm. Look, I attended school at Lazie DHSO. So I have colleagues at Kandel who were my classmates. So at the end of the day, when that conflict erupts and it disrupts activities there, nobody will benefit. And so far, I will thank the security forces, the military, and all other security agencies involved, that they should proceed this way and make sure that calm returns to the place. This is their only farming season. If you are not able to go through their farms today, it means that they are going to go through hunger. And I believe that will be done. Thank you very much, Omanhene. Namacha, President John Roman Mama, the President in waiting. And Onya Kunyane Christian Service University Kudin Komo. Omanhene, Hona Sansem we pi by. Na Yadda Christian Service University for no ase papa. I say Omana Kunya. Say Omanhene to say the Moya no more media stations no. Sama Moya Kunya yentimi nchire
I think the right word is Mama Yakwanya. Mama
Yakwanya, okay.
Yakwanya no meaning baby a free by.
Opportunity.
No, Yakwanya.
Okay.
I think Professor Ajokum at University of Ghana, Legon. Someone can now call Kwame Sefaka program. I say, Mama Yakwanya. Akwanya no yen for Akwanya to say the Uja will be Kwame. The word is Akwanya.
Okay.
Mama Yakwanya.
But sometimes I attempt to disagree with them. When it comes
to let's use the word Mama Yakwanya.
If it is an opportunity, what's an opportunity?
Yeah, opportunity just a kwanya.
I would say one mommy
kwanya opportunity.
It's a bad damage. Some Mama Yakwanya. na yetum chire nsemu
na sasa mo
no
Sompa yene
I don't see me chire house
no dey extend
o chire dey
house
and you do ana so be chire house
na say we akotena o was better na what
e je o ka house about
e bi o
o the house nyina bu be ba cho pale ko ne yiri tie no pale ko ba e je o
na maria o munyan to kakra nsa
ba e je o
so ye better Christian service university so asepa
okay
ne sa kwan amoma President John Dramani Mahama the next president say o me church nsemu o man na o hwe ba bia o man akwakoduru no na o hwe esikasem no anya die wu pa o man mo ha obi a obeye dwuma bia be ka kire o say esikasem a asei aha ne ma bebrebe nkudi aduane ayedi enra na media station bi eye some survey o bia bi mu ekoduru safanyina yese bayira baako eko 40-50 Ghana cedis na omonchire mu amochire eye enema muaye di obia attribute no se de sika ekofom na eno lead un se sika na ekofom no eno affect e fuel aye to transportation ni na affect no ndi so ya aban bia na abeba sa issue to do with depreciation of the cedi no ya ade a ese wo wadwum se obedi ho djuma nti president mama kan fat one council man fa samwe hu a nka as far as me concern na kan so kan beto sini kakra ade asem na wo kan wa se oba tackle the depreciation of the cedi.
That's right.
And now o ka say wa ma details as to kwan obe faswa obe no on say sa ye sika ya ya na sunsum na wo mu no ahwan no ekwan bebrebe so na efaba ohwa amra indis wo so no ye free ho no na at least yatima so cedi mu ama ne worst case scenario na ya about 4.3 amra ne free 4.20 4.3 na amra ye free from all the way 2009 up to that. But ohwa amra MPP by 2019 no ma set up the fiscal stability committee. In fact, frankly, could you munina account? Unfortunately now Dr. Bomia de now on count because now he said na be do 2019 na on dimenso no. Nti aban no kura set up that committee no hu say wo de ne be ka ho kura enkonkosi ba bia. Nti a kira wo say ye sidi ni say even from 2019 up to this time. Nti wo hwe sesi ya ye fa sidi na almost about 16 Ghana cedis. The president mama say oba o de niam be gu akwam ama cedi depreciation no a stabilize affect only say stabilize affect your debt na your debt ni bebrebe akoso no nyina obekom no almost about 30 to 40% na about depreciation no because the year kai the tua no especially external debt no it tua in dollars and the moment we see no say no na president mama kan say ya minim say on say NDC ya meka de bia say the kind of human resource are NDC one no is sometimes any pan for one being coho. Yana make say eno no quite even your parliament see a one. Now here the quality of debate, the kinds of things I see what parliament will tell you the kind of human resource in this war. Even say Samra Yemino can say we ye manifesto anano ya name your national campaign team. And ye launch campaign say in the launch of the campaign. The details of eniema or the big work nyina beba bonti in terms of policy no obi adwin ma ye ne clear one fancy ho wasan ka say companies bia oil company say ye oil na yetu no foreign companies ene do musika be shim ama yetiminya oil a ye pese nya o man ha ne mo aban we buy measures amoda to no suffocate most of these companies amafiro man ha in terms of taxes contracts sign. Nancy energy ministry was accused of some more signing company bia Nigeria bi wuma to the tune of about $150 million bia kwako diba bia hu sem nyina beba na waka say sa unfair practices na omudi za companies bia omokoye no ama sisi ye oil na yetu ne ekofom no oba impress upon mama ba say businesses will only thrive when you create the right environment. To say Nancy about a lot of international companies are located from Ghana. Global, a lot of companies are from Ghana because when production cost so much, environment in your fair taxation they will leave your shores. and okase oba what the niema sefata begu akwam said the beyas our companies ya onbomanya oil because oil nya na ton kese a eboa heritage fan a woka ho asemi si nya kese a na sa funds ni na ye dey it was so oba obese ne fata said the beyas our companies we nyina be samba na abo ma omana nyini issues to do with corruption and arrest and imprisonment. Unse na anu ya President Ekolonche the law house no I say President Mama say oye clearing agent ne buafu ohumpa wonyi ntum sa na tie oh sa na tie nyase na edition ko sa na tie.
Why would you describe the sitting president as clearing agent?
Say na nam say sometimes
so a clearing agent
enter enye wase me wo trimu no niema oye no ana ye di judge you kroma na ban we oba na ka say wo ye individual bi na face obeba na ban ma be pesika and the court to the private sector say me papa ye betina ha wo oye ni nroi was ko private sector na kopo sika but one in nkro for buy no ye hunu clearly say en sama wo kan niema oye ne ebobra ye wo ha na didi kan afedobin ye na empia owo bibiani anwaso okoy I mean oil say oil be contaminated
bust
ye hunu contracts be a sign ya so we fa acquire companies where fashion incomplete it leaves a lot to be desired omo ye ya no mo yini fu anu abebe di MP that matter was never investigated omo charge so mo be no ka say oma CID investigate ade na be sine ye hu de asi ye wa ha na abranti ye fe na pious anam achajidi
pious hatije
ye ko Australia eti se wonen nkrofobi ko chise bi kanana visa
racketeering
nipa journalist ede wo mko wo de microphone man kora wonim say we kora ye microphone nso ede omu nyina akoy ye ba ye betena ha na president ko gina botare gina ha na clear ne say woni boni bia wonkonko ye na djuma e wa bra investigative report bia ma abonti sane ma se hwehwem ye wo ha na ma Mrs. Ladapa koto say dollar ya kwa pi say e gubim pass me no de me say kan odi sika be go odi sika ko back
we de shemri konkum bo anu na me de
aba ya we na ko through $100 million e wa bra ma me ko nim say obi fa de sika enti can you imagine enti me ya na me ka say dollar ya kwa pi e wa man for them because after almost say amount for banks no create that mistrust in the banking systems by indicated to say for sika no go down the moment me pack in sika woni da mo a unu see this dollars euros sika bia wo Ghana ha bia bi woni da mo no ka say such issues you need to investigate and bring a finality to it now say you the banter between honorable governor yeah sometimes who say the missing describe no say honorable attorney general said this honorable attorney general e mu bia pese affecting bia oh nsema oka na maame na ko fado maame no resign no ka kire no say onim say maame no onye boni bia say onim ne record na she come out clean e wa bra investigations kwa ye so when you do such matters almost say that dey we vedame dey ya tape by okolo in law house be yo dina o clear no ka kire ne say wa ya dey pa no in fact wa contribute to what is happening today now people sitting down say president when government through that tape na jakwa edeba bontin ka kire en say on want the pressure say on prosecute at forcing make sure say ordinatum bo manum by the Facebook of me otimi di tum kura one manta near declare seat no say e vacant say the one can say declare vacant because scapegoats for no me cheap they can just take money there and take that seat o yes anema we na president ka say government won ya hwe won koy na djuma and many others clearly only class Pierre abem afed obin and including man and OPPA nipa back ajenim otimi gina ho one day awarded 11 contracts on his feet nipa ese wo hwe say ye procurement systems in here adwuma no onu mama dan contractor I mean as a state institution onu mumu award contracts to people ebesine ye hu ade potia ye dey papa we president mama say I'm dealing with this level of corruption within this government. In fact, Ghanaians will never even trust our democracy again. We President Mama what his records. Mami Vicky Hammer, sorry, say I not the be a bunny d. O dream keke. When I say when you $1 million, o no be die politics cry. What happened to her? President Mama Catcher says step aside. Abuga pay near your more
Bassett.
Oh, yes. Woman, you know, the President Mama ensure say they were prosecuted. Aban when go for muddy bonny suspicions when you never be seen. A moody he and Aban way and ya court at my prosecution. So what President Mama is simply saying is, if we don't prosecute and deal with these matters, and ya dear, ye my will be yampun to be other. Did you can say when ya konya beam said the Ghana for Manakonya on the 7th of December this year? No, or bad these prosecutions will be done and people jailed. Finally, on the Heritage Fund, no, oh, said this is President Mama over the period. Yana Mekase, Saman for Papa, who share the National Development Planning Commission, or more the vision or more the 40-year development plan. Who share sad, you know. The visual aspect of it, you the way we see envision the building of this country. O my own say utukwan ko babia adia eya na masa man dance their infrastructure in terms of their roads, their hospital infrastructure. President Mama has demonstrated that. Uba kumasi ya o my who bra kagiti ya honoma. Now I will say this market now say there was a market in be 5 or 6 or my honoma. See how it will expand our business. MP before that, we do not have that record. Because Central Market is just direct opposite Kajitia. For giving it the benefit of 8 years, it be seen. But I couldn't go on years, Central Market in this one. Me, I mean, we am peso. Okwa sanwase market one na. President Mama, ya ubusana. Revenue when you free one and yasem ketwa. Okwa tunsu kudi adam kudi above market. And ne, me no kwa above market. You will see how that is beneficial to the people. Until with that vision now when we say let's put up our infrastructure share the Eastern Corridor route issues to do with our railway lines from this Impakada Wakase sa railway line free tema echo and Pakadino. We need to shift part of our port systems to the coastal areas. And I say when you go to the Accra Plains and at the other side of the Volta League now, we have enough land to be able to establish that area and make sure say you are shifting part of our shipping issues to that area. Ebe bua ma we are developing so that your containers here the northern sector they can use that no ma ayusu yensu e free ha ekobupenu so that becomes another transit point for us. Say the beya no kasa kesi enyusu akwan ense akwan say the and the President Mama, he has a proper layout plan for this country. And what you say, Yamima na kunya no samba. These are the things that officer Oya ebeboa. Sa Heritage Fund we ya bat war under the oil funds, said the beya ebeboa ma enchirima ba. Yeah, I'm basi deplete your oil funds in na. But I say name kwa ni mu so eneme ko nanim. There are certain things I say we ne. Say the bench man beba no. Near lay out proper system for them to be able to enjoy the country as we are seeing. She be to say even VRA. If she mbra and kroma yera na nipa bi fi say it was needless. Even tema what they say motorway. People thought say it was enya dia na esefata ye. But now we motorway, now we VRA. Now we say the systems in it just so clearly say we need to begin to build systems that our country will enjoy. She about way intimate because we are about 4 or 5 months to elections. They haven't been able to do any of these things. Even inland port or Bonkra, even as we brought in a private person what has happened to it? But look at NPS. President Mama together with the Meridian Port Services or into that agreement, you can see it has expanded our ports beyond certain levels. We can replicate these things now, boy. Me see me back vision back when who was our 40 development plan that Black Star Stadium. My establishing within this country. Near linking up with our railway lines on my way be a crabbe. Near reduce corruption. Near the right people suffer with the right frame of mind. So when you come to Yama on my man what on Omanhene o ma be crabbe. Did they make catch Ghana for and say Yanti President Mama, the policies now would be in ano. Where we think we have issues, we should ask. It is through these discussions, interrogations, and a policy be or the better bonteno, you will shape it. Say they are no pay. And so where people think say, oh, I had the say be we welcome all those ideas. But President Mahama over the years has demonstrated, say, although my way, the timma my way, or was a cool heart in one, yet the build of mine. So, okay, Dr. Mahmoud Babia Bakumas, no share the business community no. Abranti binya kukudru e kasa was our program nasi. Actually, say aban bi ba wo my businesses etumpon. As compared to MPP, Nema Omobano, they have not done that over the period. And the President Mama Ataka said, some mine and I in the forest reserves, it is something he will totally take out. A idea bakopa a banway, I say, oh, my moi, a forest reserves. Ubushe na a banmum penny for pa say, because ye tano in the forest muhonum, ye mine, they are not strangers. There are people who are living with us here. To mine, I say, you, I say, acquire. President Mama say, he will stop people from mining in our forest reserves. Mining, we cannot stop, but we need to regulate. I say, regulate mining, no. Say, the bear, ye mining pay sikano. Enema ebwa ama ye nkwa ye tiase no ye nse ni nyina wo man say your forest say ye nsu a ye wo man mu hanoma. We have no life to live again. The President Mama has a well laid out program for this country coming this second term. Like I said in July, that manifesto, that people's manifesto will be launched. All of these details will come out. Okay. And I expect people to interrogate so that they help shape the whole system for all of us to move on. Right. Because on yet sa program no man ho or ya magana mine and enchirman. So you better Ghana for say.
But that's if Mammy call honorable Kennedy can come home. I mean, Tio, so your mind did he can make you with you for him. I'm a chair her phones also. Mammy fan to just say, Moncomo, dear man, Okasevia, your mema. Yeah, dimpa for the common at was. Why? Me say. Let's chat you for you. Doctor, late Kakrebi.
Yambreno is 20 no. I'm a bono 10. Omanhene. And young one say, when you have better ha or dwell in the past. So I am in some more can you know, dear Trim than the Trim Kabia and then the Ambrea Oye. Any serious country now. Or any serious government as we are talking now, we are looking for alternative solutions to the problems in the world. And you know my bed now have decided some men and say free no kokra no better radio so men caught some way I didn't oh funny ya enye na abons ya betena ha ya better solution to what is happening no. We will always dwell in the past. Over 4 years, I would be baby boo mine. I feel now, go to one and make a na time burn out the Juma. Time burn now what they ask of issues, problems, and what mining. The world is moving. We are in the 4th industrial revolution. Systems are changing in this some part of the world. Shanyoma ekoso Ghana na hwanyoma ekoso amana no hwe football pitches are mudi boy UEFA cup ne nyoma ye wo ha na fa compare ye aso tafi kura eje na kakra no ye bre ho sa obitimi bo ba ko mi no se enye ne atwini nyina to na foforo guso because they have what it takes to manufacture all those things and no mind no economy eno na ye adwini ho President Mama yama podium. We have just 4 months, 5 months to elections. So, God forbid, a touchwood, so be a president. In the next 5 months, you are supposed to provide solutions to the country. Ukwatra went to me and can't solve with the current situation in this country.
He says he will stabilize the
city. You can say it, but what are the measures? And then now they are stabilizing. I will stabilize the city in the side here. Me worry. Ubetima kasema worry. Na worry de worry. That is what some of us are talking about. We are leaders of this country, for God's sake. And when we are sitting down and start talking, we need to talk as leaders, and we are confronted issues. When MPP was in opposition, even not President Rawlings' time, wow. When na shisha ministries na shadow minister shadow what was that? Now we were giving alternative solutions to the country's problems and issues. Me Boakye o sinka ye na nke wo ho a na nke be ni sei kebe ni sei wo na wo ho anka de na obey tell us. Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia o say na nado dan kwakufu ado aban no wa ye adwuma bebre but obia nim say enye ni nyina na obetumi aye ebia tiakam ananya sa if you to work as ade man say ebia edai atiakam entuko aka kire omu de waye na de atiakam no ka kire omu ne kwan a obefa so ade atiakam no be solve no. That is what we are looking for. And that Ghana problem here say obi ye galam say friend is oil companies o me free your mind wa Ghana your oil problem. You see Ghana your problem with oil. Your oil fuel shortage Ghana. And no ye problem wo buy no na wo behwe say oil company bi e call ye no na Jakofa omu dia ba na oil company ko foframa. Okoya foframa, the country is going on with this oil mine, crude mining and everything is going on. Just all cover for Frabana, the Ubenya home and one Namuntina Kofu Maba. Omukoya no one cancer. May say so as I did in a cover, soldier go, soldier come, the barracks still remain barracks, and I'm a boy. And you know oil company now, what banana walk on. What is the importance of bringing those oil company back? Why we don't have oil issues? The American say, na keep your oil companies in the book and they say, intimate money, your crude oil, now oil, like a short to Ghana, high oil issues. Ghana problem, and yeah, about availability of oil. And I'm a boy. You know, say a CD nona a problems is yeah. If you say world economic issues, and some factors, external factors be, I'm a CD no a conform. Problem no anything. Dr. Bawumia say, me problem I also see here, you know. Yeah, shania solve issues because your budget deficit. Budget no ya your revenue, income by donor agencies, and then your money on my borrowings are being now I hear expenditure they are baby. Say your money in area, budget at the she in area, you know, yeah, debt restructuring as if we in area. Yamaya up to the end of this year. You might end of this year anywhere. If we said no maybe yeah, the next budget and yeah, the bebum. At the end, the best of issue of the you know, a friend is a dollar no ne sika na ye week no o say me ba my flat tax rate am the whole Ghanaians. It's a solution. We share some countries across the world that flat tax rates no emumunya enyoma bebre Estonia we share aboa wo mu we call Albania ne Russia na sefo no they are practicing a flat tax rate and it is helping the country. It's a solution that he has professed. What they say me ba at the port, no, we will start respecting the city at the port. Instead of us to quote all dollar import taxes, you go to be able to see straight away. And no a solution or be your business be a dollar no and you know problem ba. Now since this year budget to any implement we are. This is the next phase of it. The atia come no say ni best of no e Ghana has it. I know that chain. Me ba aye duties I port what is here no. Yahu sen krofo be breed Eric Morgan no ma de Togo em kofa e ko de Togo divert no ma ko Togo no ma so gla be Ghana and this year no me hwe say me import duty bia no any Togo de no anye pa e be lower than that of Togo said be nipa no ha ne ho tra Ghana mfa ne ship no ko Togo nko yi no ma ne enko so that there will be a lot of containers that are diverted to the ports of Ghana. It's a solution that are odiaba o say me ba eye enyumayefo ne nasefo bi wo ne omu ene oma bi wo na so mu kofa de free abrochiri ba no a inse say na nke behwa ye be yete say we ye hwe taxa say na tie we de ne abhwe wo wanim na onim nya mefa na mama taxa ne boarding custom for no wo ya mefa na mama taxa ne boofo na wa ye ni say we kasa kaja no wa ye no o say no, we are not going to do that. It's going to be across board. So ye hwan ye wo na ho ofo wo na ho nyefo wo ye hwan ye kasa 40-footer container na 20-footer container obi ekotuape. And the cost of one exploiting the juma elhano another solution Dr. Bawumia waka and wasem and anyasa na waka. And these are some of the things yasha yadeba the current situation who say food normal average food stop prices echo from cost and why den kakra e kwan be na be fa so a aduane mu nyina mutimi kotwa video mo se aduane aka nwuram you could afford nya ka amfa man na sefo ene ya me no ka sei yakoto different type of a construction equipment, road construction equipment. Now we look at say you recruit excavator operators, any tipper trucks, payload, backhoe operators, and they do more shots here 20 B or other regions, Ashanti region, the shots here next week. Yeah, this had your neighbor all the MMDAs across Ghana. o dia ne se eduane wo gunu ma de ko fa kwan ne so on de me Omanhene fa ko dwisu saa na se ye kurase baby na eduane gu a ka anya kwan enkonko fa ne oma no emfra makrom ne nipa nya binto tomatoes ya tono kran 7,000 if you this is 7,000 per box o ko burger 1,200 e be 1,000 per box. We can get all this in Yobano to the places that are scarce. The scarcity also cause price increments. These are some of the things that we are expecting from former President Mahama. He has been in government before. He has been a leader of the country before. And you know, all what is in there. And then now I bet na me ba galamsey me stop. Yom idea na ma yami ene samosa pokun tokwa RCC. Idea na mu kuntokwa. Enye concession anu mu kuntokwa. I said the my president I don't know that.
I'm not privy to that information.
I am telling you.
Well, if
I
you are telling me on
because I'm telling you because
what?
I am in government. I have been a political leader, and I know what happened. I didn't think that
you are saying it.
I'm telling you.
We at Sompa, we don't know.
More Galamsey no. Enye kwaku boy. Ene na nkrophobia ndisi fo no ko gina Galamsey site. Akwaka say munkotu ada ye beba power no ano ma obia ba munfi muntu Galamsey ni nyina. When did they go there to change their statement? Oma kwakwa some statement. That statement is still there. The videos you have seen it. Enti wo no asem na wo kan asem we wo nkrofo na mo hye nkrofo bo nkrofo kutu pa asem nko ese no na wotia na wo ka na nsem we nyina wa be kira ho waka we nyina no one solution, one prescribe a single solution to what is happening in this country, the problem that we are facing. O dey answer me ba obeye ne sen when Dr. Baumia Emra na wo opposition leader no na owia oka enyoma ye no na Kufuado was say enyoma ese getimi ye ade we amoye ni say ama problem aba no enka me na me wan ka me ye ni say ka bi me because the alternative no empty.
All they
don't have me wia
honestly Dr. Abetasema
me wia ni nyina no me pesa me kasa be catch us on say NIB ana BNI omunye research bia
say you ho
me de tum anza research BNI research bia. I am talking as the municipal chief executive of the sitting government, and I'm talking as a member of the regional security council member, and I'm talking about somebody who is part of the government. NIB and BNI research bia e Ghana.
So mame what you say? Oh, but say na niema no ko see aka benya na time no nya nru baby adri. Oh God, mami chill doc.
Yeah, the impact what say we work on stomach ulcer and its related challenges.
Me mami na baby dia dance say.
Yes.
Oh.
Oba
say
oba obo di na so de tenase.
O sese ne o si ahwe no.
Yeah, nya abotrama no pa na.
Oh, anije o.
Next day I'm a friend no was my bre na so mahu say asomdwe wo ho.
Oba say yawo. Yawo. And I'm say ma papa no wadru.
That's right. And also BBC wa ha. Ohene ni program no so lady bi ba ya na ni case na omo hwe na stomach ulcer asem pie mu. Ana wa so ne yam. Ti ohene ni ka chere se ewo spiritual twist on behwe no. But before that no mfa ne mra dimpa so ye. Ti e ho be for ho no mde ne yam wa so ne yam a chere se wo ye ho hwe nye yie. Na within 30 minutes na de na eye no gidigidi ne de ye de atwo nche kra. Fi se time ana Alaji Grisa ojina na so pa no. Se players mo be gu ho se mo ba justify or two ball no ma o first touch odibe mo van we through onko onimbo obi ba di mpa so na se wonya emergency won yemu a ye wade aye se within 30 minutes as asomdwe but that is what we did the man of pay the friend lady no was say otumi die na de ye ato aso bia no so no atimu say ense san be ba ene no de di mpa fo ye de ba ye ye wonuro bi a ye de ye adwuma akase de ma ye hu ye wonupa ye wonfidie pa ye wonimde ye wo experience enti no de ye bia no efa na no kwasem ni enuro no na me pese me bobo bisu na nipa hu said yet the Bible be said be at the Abubagun to Amubi gallons be money at the Abubu baby and I said you wake on one there be a noa ya dear fancy dear moi a be why cry be also a yawaha but Nina yet dear FDA approved na a boy Juma Kama and untino Yo Kumasan Kwa Dichem so Ujina airport on about how when you bet them and share quine so old health insurance abrosanum we wanna dimpa for your war. Your number side there, Jumano, 0245
0245
11 84 34 and 0246 744 you want to know product side there, Jumano. The Dika and friend of ICP near innovative cardiotonic pill. A year akoma ena ye didi hu Juma said that ye BP draw, but ye the share touch of Marcia straight to the heart and makwama moja a flow into one to treat something in ano. The stomach cause ma akoma enye Juma ye not to treat be bar a draw away near the young Juma. Jana Maka say, ye fire draw back when the solve stomach cause problems. No, ye toss away a propolis syrup. Okay. Draw and ye the goons so shall let in a buy and ye the stop issue no one time. Ye the goons so shame na the amawanum. Unya no ye 30 minutes and san where did a year for no more how I would want to do one. The dikaya ye did hold humanity or more TV in the and on a that's so no. And ye walk back where friend be cleansing and our cerebral care. Be cleansing no. Obo ana stomach cause ano enya nsuanso na koma so ama afa ni tia na ya ni so bre no ontumi na adro we no so ye powder da ye de gunso hyemu a ekoye a cleansing ewo etire no mu ema utirimu da ho na afa watumi adwene yie ubda ubetumi ada kama ye what the next one a friend royal jelly eno no a brain tonic obo ana na ewura fifi ade so my cause I yarboni o no ma ebe ya wo no wa dwene no kora nya adwuma yi enu di ya fa no royal jelly na adwuma no say wo take a ekoboa ma adwene no mu ete adwene mu da ho na emoja atumi aflow yi and then here wo back where friend red yeast so basa digestion ko ya na cholesterol build up. And until we know na ye de hwe cholesterol in the system so that abibia na bema enipa moja atumi aflow ye and I walk back where friend eye cleansing na ye obi o wa na osanama ne yemu etim ana untimi nyane na ye we ye cleanser a eboa ema ye funumu yemre because also no it create a lot of problems. They also ye phytoestrogen they said that also asem emom also no how no bitimi ma menses ne nyama bi e basa adro we no ne emman kwa na enom we ne siesie ma onwo ye fe onipadua ye kama awo menses ne sa ne me ne nyina ene atenka emere nti na me ye ne ntentem no they also e fa no calcium na adwuma ne se enompenia entintina ho de a eba fom no eno na ye de ehwe saa de nti milk calcium no eboa ma saa ne me nyina no esikwem then A1 capsules draw na adwuma ne say obi o ana na immune system aye weak na the treatment enkoyi what we do is draw when ya ne say helping gia ya hwe obi na emfa na introduce na atumi build the immune system no na ama a high level immune booster afi the number 10 and only 11 number 10 cordyceps infection and na esanso boa build the immune system na amani pedua no a emu yemre na ne ho ye ne hojo no atumi e de asomdua aba number 11 no e fra no angle power ano ye mema nko a ano ye mema afi wo mo ahoden kofom na ne ma bi nkoyie no ye de ma wa efie ene mpaso
atumi bo atwuma
ya be ye kama
okay
ano ji di mpafo ene no de ye ne se ye mama hu sade ye nuro no tete ene na dwuma ye
ti na ye adwuma na oba no hu se enye nuro bi akeke
e dantem ye mfa dro baako na ehwe stomach cause we got a create a lot of problems uti wakoma wachi obo untimi na enti se ye hwe ye funu mu a na afi ye hwe ada related challenges no together. It will be the past way as I say asumdwe etumi ba. The editwa to ne say oba ye ma wo moka entu. Eno nti oba ebenya abotrepa na ye di dwuma esene fata. Ye wo kumase nko a.
Okay.
Omo outside no de ye hu case ni ya etumi ye package na ye dey send oba obenya the best ni so obeba na ye do afa ye mfidie mu ansa na nuru no atwa so aye adwuma. Ti obenya afre your numbers is 0245
0245
11
11
84
84
34
34
0245
0245
11
11
84
84
34
34
and you what 0246
0246
744
744
744
744
0246
0246
744
744
744
744
say stomach or some dia
ti
dinu obabi a madimpa emra
no doctor ebedo asipa na menka ho pa Haruna to what extent has running mates become an issue today woman tuaba yem for woman ka ho but this very moment even NBC there were Julius Debra. There was Wadakun, Samuel Sapon, Dr. Samuel Sapon. Oh, my men crowd there, your mama, funny, maybe only a day, your mama, koi, mammy, see, be me wofu. Running mates, to what extent? And I was saying to me, be a problem. Mammy, too.
Answer, mommy, if you rebut us with me.
About your 7 minutes.
Okay,
okay.
And some America MP by 8 years on by a day.
Shall say
it means I have wasted our time. Was it flat rate? And I had been for Omanhene. So after 80 they slept. A car 4 months. And I'm for flat rate Imra. Look, the business community are serious people. And the DMPA now was it there? Ports. After the Omudi Ekomachi. That of Togo. And 4 years, 8 years in Nai, or man who say, support services way, what they duty no any, Togo, dear my chair, the Boagana for no. What Queen? What say, Sika? Why a DDEP? Mama, a scapula here for your pet. We have wasted our time. I feel the movie, yeah.
Yeah, the rolling part is
problems now, money, Dr. Bomiana, yeah, no. Dr. Bombe mum never solve our problem no. And the one part is serious, okay, as much now obi was serious. Omanhene, I don't know yama amamu aye so cheap sir. You can't some way per se and in fact about Dr. Bombe kan what can ban you obi aban wo ka ho. In fact president Akufo-Addo ka kire say obestabilize we say when in doubt check the exchange rate. These are business people. They bought into those ideas. Until after 8 years, 4 months. I feel no more that's what I be. And I died and I Dr. Bomian or the brain. Minya share. Oh, say never be one of you so be defender. It put you in a different light. Yay. Yet Tianum cast one factory. Into Nukusi say 1 village 1 dam.
6 minutes more.
Aye, see me the 2 minutes the best idea. 1 village 1 dam, they could see say. You Hana Dr. Bomeka says, oh, my Palugu Morty, Papa's dam. Oh my yo, yes, oh my ye. Oh my, I'm 11 million to 12 million. I'm more be quite what the blocks are what side chromaton. And we are still talking about Dr. Bomia. President Akufo-Addo catcher is ordinary by my stabilize city.
The past
Let me tell you, we'll go to the past. Let me tell you, Obia winning history be our yes, we need a fee or crew in our benya. Oh, you have a bedroom. When Dr. Bomia chess way the solution to this country. Digitalization okay you no answer among them baby obi our lab backbone was lead the infrastructure applications kaka NAE enti Ghana for MPP phone ni omunim so o ma faili so ye fa kwan bi so da wa dwene simi yan kwachena yan konra ni yan kwahi Omanhene wodumi se wo bo papa di obi tin hwe wana won hwe wo oh papa bo papa dey say asimasi banim you can either be welcomed or be thrown out because of papa records and yehwe on person ka chere say Akufo do nko na afili Dr. Bawumia nka ho
yes Akufo do gina parliament state of the nation dress or see a minister or deputy or flag vice president can bring solutions and everything, but the box stops with him. So if everything he fails or he wins, he is the president.
Go read article 58.
No, I'm not talking about article 58. The president himself catch the Ghana for say minister be ebeye bibina abasobobo nom de be man na oni problem. Dey mo no there as Oman Penino. The failures and the successes, no. The buck stops with him. It was a failure. Ghana for basketball. He said it.
No governance. Yeah, you need governance. So you can't deceive anybody.
So that statement was deceptive.
We know it's deceptive.
Because our German, why you bow me?
What said that? See, Mekase, the presentation of Dr. Bawumia is a test of our sanity. What's the Mekase? They know they have lost everything. In that deceptive manner, or a cremoni, or a ceremony, on Kahu, Nana Kupo, the Mamuo, Article 6 of the Constitution. Would that a vice president candidate? You can't contest elections.
Yeah.
He's an integral part of the ticket. They fought
3
together.
minutes more.
They fought together.
I saw the man second once and one go.
Mibaho.
No time, so.
Who say, look, and I didn't because of me. And it is an aberration of a democratic practice.
So say.
Almost say democracy.
No, until my day.
Now how can you understand? Say, me president now, me no, me amamuni na no, I fail na ayamenkwa obianka ho. How can you tell us this? The whole MPP, the entire MPP has failed. They don't need any time from anybody. Napo. Omanhene.
Yes.
Kuroma yanyam krao.
Ade.
Ade MPP yado is dangerous oh. And no me hosa na me hu say TV3 dia beto say national security akoye
National Investigation Bureau.
Omakoye survey. Na enipa about 76% or so say omope napo. So me Dr. Bawumia running meeting. What are we doing to our state institutions? Let me tell you, before Nana Akufo-Addo, he would have succeeded in destroying all our state institutions. We wouldn't say NIB. It's more like a secret society. Their investigations are not supposed to be known to anybody. Me sure say by now, because the BNI or the NIB I know and understand will never do such a thing. But because you say do be show be county, when him say choosing the running mate is a preserve of the player candidate,
the prerogative of the flag bearer.
And the idea of if it is not true, what are they doing to the flag bearer? Are they hanging Napo on his neck? Say when it comes to
but what if it is true?
Omo deny say no kure. The BNI people are denying.
So omunye bibia.
Omo say omunye bibia.
Duhana ye we beto.
Omaya kurampo no a, it is not something they wish it to come out. It tells you people and their interests. A chawa dia in the pay. How can you tell me say when it comes to grassroots, Napo well grounded than Chime Sabosu?
Really?
Logically does it. And some the Omake Kanono. So at this stage, you know, meaning people and their interests. It is just an attempt. To say ukoli bako or would to me TV. Or say Napo Bananka is home with the Nako Women's Ministry. My free energy ministry, the Nako Women's Ministry.
Ale.
Now energy ministry over by one who near my cousin. Even with all the president Mama Amberi Abba Kumasi, you had no courtesy to mention to him Usuru. You can't say Dum Saba, one change some catcher. For timetable bra was so pack of our dear bra. He does not have the temerity of public service.
But I say, well, you have concluded. Come, Mamma, I'm too.
Mesome come nu ane tangent ne pepe Panama kan sem keto bi be 2 minutes Panama ko. I mean kan no. Governance is timing and season. But your please. It's about timing.
Oh yes, so be Mr. Pedro to stop you. Come fan to just say we are any Dr. Mensa so be.
Well, my men can say minchiro.
I please allow
the point in time. Na some card edition form. upebia ebu acho ko sunyan ana wakwakoto
1 million
what dey say me ba jode me ka dey say so eduru ba bi sisi abno ka say uduru airport a ye the sim card because the government invested that money at that time with this shemu no the fiber optics no ma buy ya ye solve that problem we no and they okoya budget now the fiber optics the sim card do you think Ghanaians will allow you?
No, it
is gone. In the time and season is we have it in governance. Eduru ba bi mobile phone na ope bi kura na obreba is your mobile phone any problem. Internet connectivity was an issue and anya sir enti make kasa ansem we nyina e twerebe computer kura computer ni edemika ko hwe computer she that ye ko ba bi ye free ba bi ye ko na ko kire computer wo ene computer ye chicha nkola e wo school me boa entuba wo se be du ba bi no na saa ne o ma ni nyina no aye abai no invest so much no we sika you investing so much in these things that are me kan ya mre twam a ene sai sika ne invest bi ye pad for process you see we are now moving towards AI good as ye ko artificial intelligence
mama me ma 7 minutes who wait almost 10 minutes
into my
ni pana sha say when you kwa mi osimesisi
enti as I'm saying, no. Now can no more names the Togo say in the timing and season is very important. Edru baby, Ghana was doing well in 2017 by and I feel because of it by. Sorry, you're breaking all budget allocations. What I say, and environment, every directly and the nose mask, sanitizer. And some wash and busy. Any of these guys, the whole budget, any ashisha, ya deba kokobu amano. Ya stop putting well, because of the timing and season of the situation, no. Ya ko fast hanyo mano, e de koto sa adio mano, e de koye za adwuma no. One mention no. E ma se by ne uka nose mask, hand sanitizer, wash and busy na. Obi afanya hwe bi. Asama me ka tia se. Enti sesia no baby e kwa akoduru sesia no. Baby e kwa akoduru sesia no. Akwa akoduru say you say do baby our port is issues now. Want to mention smuggling is now issues. Want to mention see I look at say illegal mining say abe issues. See government is investing in even stopping illegal mining. You to drones you say military near a whole bunch of budget is going there. It will be there will be a timer say no money in a bed a bit free. Want to mention first Kumase na ka kwan na obi na bibie here obi atesa kwan. Ene saa no mani nyina ye den eko emre bi etwam na capitation health insurance na ye issue kwese wa ha the demonstration nyina buy but now all this has the governance no na time and season sesia no near here tax how to finance our budget into near what taxes or airport na se phone sesia ni o ma bebre kwa na ye ni other alternatives o hwe na ye sika for free all revenues aspect na ye ni alternatives no now no ye nya alternative ye hu ni say ye the gold for oil beba ye alternative barter trade your mineral resources be able leverage no to buy to supplement the budget enti ni nyina beba sa no abo se na tax agent no happen no kra no na bia aba ba te say enche da nye too much air pressure. If you do one years okay, to stop illegal and smuggling into the country, then as if one year, I didn't see that tax no enco form because we have been able to implement ABCD tax amnesty. Dr. Baomiaka is what the baby. I'm a Ghana, ya wide in tax net anymore. Oman kumuntu tax in Asia no ye sika de supplement budget no. Near say ye kohabo, aqua could reduce taxes. Any Togo dia pay na possible I go down to the Toga. I don't know, I didn't just intimate. Oh say Amamu simple how. Amamu, you need the big brains to sit down and make sure say you have all these things between me. Okay, budget now can't you be you should find a way of financing the budget. And the other ways of financing the budget are many hono. And I see Dr. Baumia AEPA. MPP for AEPA, but because it hasn't come into full force, no, your benefits no.
You see,
this our alternative now. AEPA, revenue. Now, be a cost no. Now, no, ama. Because I know money bape. Ye wide tax net no. Obi a 10 year jumo be trying to say revenue aspect of the budget no. Pay. Now we can look at social interventions. So they say near the free secondary education. We need to raise enough money from the system to finance it. Near heritage fund and man. Well, and no need what we are thinking about in the future. And yet they all can we say. So what I mention, my member, me fancy China menye. This BNI issue I won't see happen. NIB or BNI onye research biya. Onye research biya.
Asamba na kan.
But the make nyina ne say me kak mo so agima ka kire obia. Say don't give unnecessary pressure to Dr. Mamadou Bawumia.
Akmosu Ajimano is the chairman
of Council of Elders.
MP.
Osi mamu fa pressure mano. Wa sani o ma bi say no mu ye ya Dr. Nana Danko Kufuado ETC Bank of Ghana kofa deputy governor of Bank of Ghana de bayo. So be ka ya sa time no na Haji Alima eni nkrofobi na ye ensemble brain na create confusion. Ne ha confusion na create a lot of problem in the party. If they do baby no. So kofa Halima ba what say blog will be Sadiq Boniface Abubakar ba what say another blog. So there is a neutral person to come in so that obia enkofa problem from a party. You see MPP your biggest threat now in these elections it's not about TV what is issues that is happening in the country. It's about the selection of our running mates. That's our biggest threat now. One of our threats. Running mate in a year no. Na party no we will need a lot of reconciliation. So on the mention because we in as if we all share the indicators are research no more can one sem no. Obi our research the biano. Those indicators are irrelevant. Polling station executives, electoral area coordinators, constituency executives, national executives as if they have already having their bites. The bite I know want to say omubeyi flag bearer omuyewi they say Dr. Bawumia yewi. It is obi query research. Now who use police station executives for as a sample that research and said that
so you
the sample should be Ghanaians who are going to vote. That would have been the proper sample size. And they did such a research. Because now no and your police station for the koto ababiemu the entire population of Ghana.
Okay.
And okay. Enti say BNI crampo no minim from I'm 100% more than 100% sure that BNI haven't done this. What they say, but BNI I'll be very disappointed in them because the indicators and the title and the research samples and those things in Inano even a wrong target. We don't need the police station officers, the party
because
officers.
I'm already they've made a choice.
They are making their right. Anna Dr. Bawumia Bahano I was with him all day. What I said, Dr. Bawumia, I was with him all day. It is clear. Say Obieni wa and there Aminuka so popular. I say Dr. Bawumia. He has his own popularity. Because me dinner chief from day one till say ye jan and fro plane call and ajuba 11 o'clock Accra. And I was watching and looking, using my political prowesses to do a lot of assessment. Dr. Bawumia is popular than anybody in this party. Anybody, as it stands now, or popular than anybody. And I said research on almost say NDC party is popular than MPP party, but Dr. Bawumia is popular than Brahma.
That's true.
Enti me ba nyabo tire ma me kasam chiro. Asa make an tobo.
2 minutes.
Fair body. On the mention. Enti now no. Omanhene running mates issue. Enya de bia. Ebe boa Dr. Bawumia ana ebe bibi fufuro bia ma Dr. Bawumia.
Running mate no.
Emme Dr. Bawumia.
Ade bibia.
Enche da mo bibi fufuro bia.
Because they are only fulfilling a constitutional mandate.
Because Dr. Bawumia is a popular person on his own. What do I say? All MPP for Muzo Mope branding mates in MPP for you say I say I been pan the partner. Nasi ya for mine is my running mate. Na say your selfish interest na ye dwene ho a. Na say ye nyina ye carbon I joining forces. I can be my Dr. Bawumia. He will win convincingly in any region. Intimate party for no. The way they are going about it, they are dividing the party. Me come in Dr. Bawumia. Anka baby amekwako. Anka me fa Ghana ni kura nya running mate. Me na me ka chiro. Come in fa Ghana ni kura.
O time was so that say.
Enti mama
say o time na so.
Mama papa no.
Ahome.
Asumdwe
no nya na juma. Thank you.
The vice president.
Dr. Mesa be transfer me. That is when Dr. Fahama me.
November.
Fahama me. I know. Do what you check over.
Obia very show I come.
I put you out my Bible. That was it.
Ah, now I'm the last one.
I am trying. We are not rapping. I'm trying. No, but we see why.
Oh my, me da CP. Every say ne kwan so ano no. Saa na wo se ekọ na afi no man no asomdwie wo mu se ye. Na masemo ada bia me de mekan ye se wi ase mpanifo so obi onu mu to no na edu de ye to ye nsafre no ma fe obi ye bibi.
That's right.
Dr. Benson he back na ke de o mo nte ye ho asem na o mo animu ye ho asem no e bia wo man yi mu no e bia na o mo ye sukodoma ana e bia na o mo ye motofo a feda bia o mo tu enufo ano ya ye adwuma ahwe nipa ya le mfie pi na de nyamesa de abeka ye ho no e ya de emu oduru pa o man se nyame de ade edum obi na o upgrade ne kakra na o peje mu kosora na chese nipa ne nyuma o yo ne so nyame ani.
That's right.
It was so boa no de bi kan ho brebi Yesu Kristo kan asem bi wo se wo wura sikani bi e na wo che talent and as the sika man ko fu bi so mo fanya adwuma.
That's right.
Obi ko tutu form de de share form e na obi nso se da bi me de e be ya adwuma na were ho sem ne se sikani ne ba ya o bebu akonta no o ba lo busa o mo ano so wura me de o na me suro dodo nti o sika no me de e share form afa anya adwuma because na huhu nti anhwe na hye na waje no se na wo ye kwadwofo pa nti wo mo mfa ne nkọ ba bia were ho ne sun ne amane hunu wo on se de ade ne sitie no e che se nyame de bibi hye won sa wo se wo yere ho ye ho adwuma akopem se wo de e chen sa akora be kan ho enu nti na Dr. Mensa he back niki nyame de e chen sa akora ka me ho a afi yale a ehu enu ma bia nipa nte ase abeka me ho ama me ho nsem aye hu ni nyina ye de nyame de abeka me ho ye obibi efe ne sasa kana sa akasa we se ye kasa mpanifo ka na akoyese obi adi awuo obi atutuabo obi yese wo nwale sasedura wa hwe ya da sama ba be hawo ana obi akum obi na yese wo nwale sasedura nya sa ebe ha no ene de ya ye hwehwemu a eye ne se ye hu se obi bo bra na nkoyi a tumi di nachi.
That's right.
Obi e promise na ya feli no tumi di nachi he o my de me pese make nyina nse obi wo no mo na bra bo ne nkoyi
sisi so
ni bibia na ne kwan menti ada akora me wo kai me ka se ye kuro Ghana ye kuro wo se nka ye tualu piri fa wiem
ni ye dware ye nyina sasa
ye nyina na nka lu piri no de sasedo no otu na fe na change wo ba
no be ya dwe pa helicopters
aha na nka ye bi na fe
ye boye sasa
boye sasedo sa na fe no man no sometime
o moa
o man eduble bi a ye kase ye de ani ehwe physical realm nko a enye yie ye wa ho mu nsam nso wo ho a e wo ho
iro ya dwe
woni mo na bo kana se obi wu a ne ekosie nipa no wi a ne ya bubu a haba be fe na adwara haba ne de agu yade mu ufiri nsamampom ho ba ya na de ni nsu ni bia ohoro wonsa ade ndi na mpanifo yes a o man
waja de bia akofa
waja tumi bia akofa ne nsamampom ho ye sasa tumi anka ebedi wachi abeha fie no waja no ho enti no se wo bobra na enye yi a me se bra bedwale sasa duro e wo Dr. Mensa so ye ho na sasa do ne ye ho na abedwale no ye de ma wa na ya kire wo kwan se wo kwa kwan se na faso dwale no enti wu dwale aduro na ye obibi e fe ne ntansa e don so kan sasa ho ni nyina e be firi wo ho e firi wo ho wi afi obon se ensuo kora na wo ton a ne sika ne kan won sa utimi de ye bibi.
That's right.
Oh enu nti na okọ alaba no ne ade ankramufo ya no mayi sraha.
That's right.
Sraha na omu yiye no eye bibi kase pa honhom na breki no ma ahodo bebrebe so enti sasa no bedi wachi a wo yo ba akora na ye promise wa na ya failure bibia ekoso wa brabom bia otimu se no man sisi ani na wunya dwale sa haban no bia 7 days na ade be dwale no ubon sa fe ubi bia de da ne kwem kama wa ba hunu se ampani ampa fe de wasi abrabo kwem a wo ko anim o ma me se obi timi je ne bosom ya akatua sika ne kutekuta na wo hunu de ode be na hye endi wa nyale sasedura o chese wo na mu wiase sa akwa hwe abato a ye betui ana bo nyame ya dom a brepem no mu medwale sasedura ni because one say wani a wo de ye bibi na se bitumi bi e ne akire no honhom no ma bi wo ho nso a etimi kutia oh my entino say unya dwale bia obi a o posu wo no ontimi so because all the one you have so koyi obi bo enti obi a me dwale sasedro ni bi we ya de ye simple
that's right
ah betimi abo obi a o my ma me fa we si o say me ka say bibie manum na ha nyina kankan kan ya obi a so le afiri he no your friend halitosis
that's right
enum kankan ya le me se unya sa ya le we bi a wo ba wa wo no kora wo no yes wo ba wa wo no won no kire se wonum bon ubie wonum na wonum bon a okwa solid dem na ye to dwuma anka won ne de pa but obi a men because wonum bon ntra ena me say obi be ye CCTV camera o me fi papa ni mo dwuma pa na dwo kora wada camera ni twa colored kama enso na num bon ena me ka kire se wo pani wo how ni wo say doctor na treat yale we be say 20 years ni o ma me ma na duro 3 days pepepe 1 cent bio ena was intini e fra doctor one day hwe yale e wo yem na bebre na anim obi a onya indigestion odidi aduane na ne wesa benintimi nwese aduane yi ena obi wo hodom nso a odidi anajo pa omo nso omo digestion ni nkoyi ore red meat bibribia eno nso utiminya sa yale wi so hwe sa de we yi a sa halitosis yale wi o ngete da
okay
enu nti me wona duro ye de mawa ebe wa ma digestion system no koyie ena enum kankan na firi ho
okay
sa asoro be na wo so ena ama halitosis yale na ba ye wadura ye de mo mo so ho enti ye ko ha na ye ko ha enti ye de na ebejai
okay
bio so oba ya num nu bone wa nom ama o ya je won sam ase ya hwehwe Dr. Mensa chiri kwai
okay
so obi num nu bone na wonom ana na brabo na ichenji a ehu pa enti ye wona duro aye de fredi ane mo mudi a ontimi num bio Dr. Mensa he back na ke ye we num nyina Omanhene enti eduru blebi na ye kan ya ho asem obi te ba bia onte ase yale ankasa ye fe na yale o my wo di me ho adanse ye se enya numudwa na asa hote
that's right
me ma sha dadi asase be se ekaduonu mienu ya madua haban nko a
yeah
emu na me kote me haban why me nu bra fa me nu ya ba bia me pe se me de yale bi ho aduru se enda na wo kan tozi ho asem se ho ayedin entozi ho kwatwe o memu a prostate yale e be hase ayekese ewo memu anya asem ketwa because bema de boye pa ni ntos bema bia won tan ni ntos bia 40 years ho kono bo se na the prostate na emu bi so ho enti ntos ho kwatwe wo Ghana ha de mema prostate e be yekese na wenu mu nyina Dr. Mensa ewo na duru ewo ho enti wo man yese asem tenten fan toponko men ka se pi mawie ya de number na etudwa
fa number se
ya yan ka se bi oni eko de nyame pe na gini bia be ya chidi
Yo, Dr. Mensa
no kasapa
entudwa
mami nchio
Dr. Mensa number ni 0244 92 69 0244 92
69
yes I was 027 11 73 551 027 11 73 551 sounds 0532 92
8095
o ma de ba ku bi eke mu ye delivery service
okay
and we delivery free
okay
ba wo abrochi ya betu ya bibi kakra
okay
Ghana ha de ba bia wo bia wo frɛ ye ne a me here draw we ne de abrɛ na wasan ne usika ba
okay
on so we nso ye simple
I know my ye wo kutwi no
Kochi
Guinness Depot Kumasi ya honi wo crying so ya wo Medina Zongo Junction
okay
baby honorable Kennedy Japan abon sakese.
Thank you very much. Just give us a call. Okay. Yeah, told you my dear, so we have some few minutes to wrap up. I pay your phone but I mean your birthday since I'll be as a dad in the birthday buy into me Tony Sack Electronics and so ya send me the Bremo property products no yeah fridges, TVs, air conditioners, washing machines and any inverters no money adina wo de ane property electronics not wafre 0500309309 and to my highly productive and loving wife Nana Fia Santoa formerly of the dish Efia okay Johnny Japan Solomon and Kwalari nyina Fia Santoa the dish okay Besaya Usu Kumasi Metro Engineer from your friends at Sompa afi adwa poma we a nurse e wo Menhia Government Hospital Adwa Poma. Okay. Nipa no de ba na nyame won ba ku sei. Happy birthday to you. If you abo amaho. Okay. A Champo Tabel, where student was Santi NMTC. Salome of Genesis Radio, Ghost, so Motinka. I'm a free man, Cranso, Methodist Junior High School. Wanko Beneza, Uso and Sompa TV. Afe Derek, Befi of Kesmi Media. Hey, Kwampe, me Moutinkwa, Moawodapa, Posia Donko Yeboa. Also so birthday Posia Donko Yeboa Akosia Somwase Oma Otrinkwa Mrs. Akosia Somwa Japan Nana Joa Rekwa Queen Mother of Plantain Sellers Association Nana Ajua Mwakwa Rekwa wenya 87 years Queen Mother Plantain Sellers Association body for hima Kasiepa area Ponsa Marino Agnaso Motrinkwa Abigail Abna Boatma from Kukwa and Akosia Somwa to you. Nana Ponsa, director of Sefa Bonsuroya Senior High School from Benzema of Aguna. Nana Joa Fwa due to 2 O Papa So Motikwa Ghana Police Service due to 2 honor war. Janelle Inshaba Sapon O Mami Fia Kwadu So Motinkwa and ASP Ebofin of Ankafo Prison Annex. Luther King Somo Trinkwa ASP Ebofin. All right, we will be 2 minutes. Yeah, I'm not checking. Honorable, honorable 5 years.
Omanhene.
Obia, 2 minutes. Grabs 1.5.
Yenye na yemo modern. Na party mpanyimfo no. So mo kasa yemfa ni de emmom.
Okay.
Na mafako nya ozo busa say. Eye MDC campaign mo lanche ye no. Ono abo campaign team no mo unveil ye no. Ono abo muntaka. Aya sanwase no no ho zam ya sokoro man pansi. Mantini din wom. Ana na damfo so Haruna Durusu. Haruna Durusu so din nim. E de ne siye. Entina ama
allegation by say former president was not but I asked him on the cattle hall.
Okay.
You see for
Omanhene.
Yes.
So what campaign mu a MPB anim. Apart from to force na where minority leader no. MPB anim.
Ntimi nkasa MPB anim.
MPB anim.
MP wom.
That's not a minority.
Ato force onye MP.
Different person.
He's an MP. He's an MP. Oh, yeah. He's an MP.
What does here?
He is an MP.
So that's the explanation.
Oh, like I said, leadership, minority, and or representative.
He represents parliament.
Me say so
MP
MP wom.
Only person.
And MP wom.
Apart from MPB anim.
But MP wom.
So, Omanhene, Ghana Frontier say Ghana is up for the rescue. And some of you can naturally say, Omase Oma fail.
Fine say.
No more failures in your mother's what Dr. Bamud Bomia.
Can you imagine?
No mum and solve problems. That is exactly what we are saying. Because and some of them catching in a mobile man to my new bia. That is what it is.
The problem of the day.
President John Dramani
like Dr. Mamadou Bawumia to solve those problems.
I want to say, the man is so outstanding. What they need to do who be bia and ye.
Can you imagine?
The last thing they say, they will first Dr. Napo on Mahmoud Bawumia. And one on my no.
And
the sad day we are
Naponya,
Naponya, leave you people.
And yeah, obine for so in the
because I say, or in the women's ministry by now. Because Dr. Napo, I got 2 ministries. Some ministries have been who be anywhere. Education ministry.
Now, education ministry, I say.
Let me tell you, everything education ministry has never recovered. It has never.
Now, all free or not say.
So when you say me a teacher,
now all free or not.
And now what we see?
Now we see. Now free education.
Now Papa energy ministry. What best say no pasa. Che energy ministry.
Musuro no.
What was the home since here?
Musuro no.
So both ministries say come no. The record and yet and the year.
Let me know my money for the brother. Can you move that?
Yes, I say yeah, I'm found.
Debut.
What about you to play a man?
Ghana
phone himself. The temerity to be.
Oh my.
My name is Kwesi Nyantich. In this region, sports is all about